Hey guys, so Doogee would be launching its own flip device very soon, and it is called the Doogee Flip X. This is going to be Doogee's first flip device, and this device would be competing with the likes of the Blackview Hero 10 and the Energizer Ultimate U660S. Just know that these flip devices are going to be the cheapest available. Okay, the Blackview Hero 10 is expected to retail for about $300. The Energizer Ultimate U660S is expected to retail for about $400. Regarding the Doogee Flip X, I don't know how much it's going to retail for, and its specs of course are not disclosed currently. It's still in the works, they are still working on it. So this hands-on video is not mine. Credits to the original owner of the video. I was able to get this hands-on video on a Czech website called Doogee. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but I'll put a link in the video description if you want to check out the full hands-on video, guys. And have in mind that the video is in Czech. I don't know if I pronounced this right. Is it pronounced Czech or Czech? But you get it, you know, Czech. It's the language is in Czech, I believe so. So you might want to, you know, find a way to translate the video if you want to understand what he's saying. Anyway, the Doogee Flip X is coming very soon. We don't know when. Its details are not disclosed yet, but once I get more details about the Flip X, I'll let you guys know. So this is the update I have for you guys. What do you think about this upcoming flip device from Doogee? I'd like to hear your thoughts, guys, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.